What's up, everybody? It's Kendra, the founder of the VendSmart Club, and here we talk about vending machines, local service-based business strategies, and the mindset you need to succeed. In today's video, we're going to be talking about setting up your professional business website. In my experience working with hundreds of vending machine operators and new business owners, many people see their website as being something that they do later rather than one of the very first things that they should establish. People go ahead and set up profiles on social media like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn as a way to establish an online presence. And they rely on these platforms as a way to get customers and to find locations. But the thing is, you only get one chance to make a good first impression. And that's why it is so important to create a website. Your website will help your customers learn more about your business and what you do. And they can also see the benefits from working with you versus somebody else. Here are a few things that you need to get started. So the first thing is when you choose your domain name, you're going to want to choose something that has the service or products that you provide in the name if possible, and also the location where you provide that service. So for example, if you're in vending and you live in Atlanta, you want to try to do atlantavending.com. Now, in big cities, these names like this are either already taken or very expensive. So you want to try to get something as close as possible to the name with your services or products in it and the city or area you're servicing. So if you're in a suburb like Sandy Springs, you can say Sandy Springs Vending or Buckhead Vending, if Atlanta Vending is not available, which I don't think it is. And in many major cities, New York, Chicago, you're not going to be able to find these domain names necessarily, so you might have to add multiple products or service names in your domain name. But you want to keep it as short as possible. So 2 or 3 words, 3 words really tops, but 2 is the best, so that people know what you do and where you provide your services. Similarly, if you have a pool business, a mobile car washing detail business or something like that, Atlanta Mobile Car Wash, Atlanta Pool Services, Roswell Car Wash, you get the idea. And domain names are pretty cheap to buy. You do have to pay for them every year, but you can get them from places like GoDaddy or Namecheap.com. Or if you are building on Google Workspaces or some other platform, they may offer a free website when you set up your site at the beginning. So once you're ready to go ahead and create your website, after you've picked your domain name, you want to make sure your website has a few basic pages. Include an about page, a contact us page, your hours of operations, your business address if you don't have a home-based business and you're using an actual commercial space, a services page, and if possible, create a page for each different type of service that you provide. So in vending, if you offer vending services, office coffee, and snack pantry, you're going to want to have 3 pages for your services. This will help with search engine optimization or SEO. You want to include your service area and also a contact form, not just a contact us page with the information, but you want to actually have a contact form, not only on your contact page, but on your services page as well. The reason you want to have a contact form and not just your contact information is because people want to do whatever is easy as possible. If they can just fill out a form and send you an email that way, you're going to get more leads than if somebody has to pick up the phone and call you in order to inquire about your services. And your service area page is really important as well. This will also help with search engine optimization and help clients find you in those near me searches. So if you ever go on Google and you look for pizza shops near me, vending services near me, this is where those service pages are really going to come in handy and help you to rank and get leads for your business. Somewhere in the footer section or even on your contact page, that's where you're going to link any socials that you created. So your LinkedIn or your Facebook page, that's where you're going to add those links. And last but not least, you're going to want to go and create a Google business profile. This is going to help with the near me searches and the search engine optimization to help people in your service area find you. This profile is free to set up, and you want to make sure you include everything that you just put on your website in your Google business profile. The key to the Google business profile is that you have to keep it updated, but you only need to post to it about once a week, and make sure that it is completely filled out. Your phone number, your address, your email address, any information on your website, put on your Google profile. If this video helped you, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and feel free to share it with anybody who you think this information might help.